In this video, we're going to take a look at my unfair advantage review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my unfair advantage review. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com, and coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the unfair advantage is. So this is a product, a training course, and a software, and it's going to show you the loophole that they found in Amazon so you can make some affiliate commissions using Amazon and YouTube. So what's the big deal about using Amazon to make commissions? Well, let me just tell you. As of January 2020 this year, there are 150 plus million Amazon Prime Video users. Around 64% of households are subscribed to the Amazon Prime services globally. Approximately 40% of all Amazon Prime members spend over $1,000 a year on the Amazon site. So Amazon Prime service has over 100 million users globally. So that's the big thing. There's a lot of traffic there. And Amazon is like the main site that everybody goes to, right? When they want to buy something. And that's what this product is all about. Now, the first thing I need you to do is to look in the video description, okay? There's a link in there. You go ahead and click it. It's going to take you to my bonus page right here. And go ahead and scroll down under the video, under the timer, until you find the purple button that says Get Unfair Advantage Now. That's going to lock in your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus. I'm going to show you how to find all of that stuff at the end of this video, okay? But let's go ahead and take a look at this bonus page right quick, and we want to go over a few things. Let's go over when this launched. So it launched Sunday, September 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to end on Sunday, October 25th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's a 7-day launch. Okay, and one more time, just make sure there's time left on this timer, and go ahead and click any one of the purple buttons that say Get Unfair Advantage Now. That's going to lock in your bonuses, okay? And when you click that button, it's going to take you over here to the sales page. Then you can just scroll down till you find the buttons that say Get Instant Access Now. Okay, so that's all you need to do to get started and to make sure that you're going to get my bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus. So let's go ahead now and take a look at the sales page together. Okay, so let's go ahead and read this. We found a loophole inside a $280 billion company, which is Amazon. It pays us $50 a day passively. Here's how you can duplicate our results within 20 minutes. P.S. No one else is doing this. I love that. Okay, so go ahead and watch this VSL, guys. It's going to explain everything, and it's also going to show a little case study in there about Vick's daughter, which I'm going to read to you in a second. So I got some bullet points here, so I think that's important to read to you because, you know, if she can do it, anyone can do it. So let me just read this. It says, my dad showed me how to use Unfair Advantage, and within 3 days, I was making $50 a day. So this is Vick's daughter, Yana. She's 12. So like I said, if a 12-year-old can do this, guys, anybody can do this, right? It's not hard. Follow the instructions inside the training, and then you're going to learn how to do this easy method, okay? So let's go ahead and continue on the sales page here. And here's the clip that's inside the VSL that shows you the little case study. It shows you where she made the money and the earnings and all of that stuff. So pretty cool. Go ahead and check that out. Okay, so basically 3 simple steps, right? Set up your Unfair Advantage system, unleash the free traffic built in, and go ahead and relax and enjoy your winnings. Okay, here's some testimonials right here. You can read. Go ahead and read everything on the page, guys. Make sure you understand everything and what this is all about. Let's check out the bonuses here. So you're gonna get 3,285 in extra bonuses when you pick this up as well. So bonus number 1 is Profit Booster Niches. This is a $997 value here. Bonus number 2 is Affiliate Profit X. This is a $497 value. Bonus number 3 is How to Make $997 Commissions on Demand. This is a $297 value. Bonus number 4 is Video Views Plus Shares Booster. Okay, this is a $497 value. 5 is Video Embed Plus Likes and Comment Booster. Okay, this is a $997 value. So a lot of value there in the bonuses. Okay, here's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and this is everything that you're going to be getting inside of the course and the software. It's worth $3,379. So complete A through Z Unfair Advantage training, automated cheat software, ethical world-class support, and the 4 bonuses that we just went over there. Actually, they must have added another one because it's saying 4, but we just went over 5, right? So you're getting another one in there, so even more value. Okay, and if you have any questions about the product, there is some FAQs right here on the bottom of the page. Okay, and again, this is Vick Carty and Tommy launching this product together. All right, so that's it for the sales page that I wanted to go over with you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the members area looks like. Inside the members area, guys, you got home, my account, and log out up here. So here are your modules. You got a welcome video here from Tom E. And you can go ahead and click here to register for some free training. So he's going to talk about that in that VSL right here. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see some other things here. Step 1, method overview. Step 2, step 3, access the software. Number 4, templates, unfair advantage upgrades, bonus area, and additional bonuses. As well as you have over here, welcome to Unfair Advantage, which is this video. You have the method overview right here, just another video here, the Unfair Advantage full system, so all of the videos right here. You have access to the video software right here, and then you can set up your API key, so click here to access the software. You have the templates in this module here where you can download the templates. You have the Unfair Advantage upgrades right here, just in case while you was going through the checkout process you decided you didn't want the upgrades at this time. You can always get them later right here in the members area. You also have the bonus area here where you can get some bonuses and some additional bonuses as well in this module. So that's pretty much how you navigate inside of the members area and what it's going to look like once you log in, okay? So let's go ahead now and take a look at what the actual upsells for this course is. Okay, so the front end is $17, but I'm going to show you a little trick right now on how to get a discount. Shh. I didn't show you this. I didn't. If you go back to the sales page here and you go to log off of the sales page, let me go ahead and refresh. Okay, so if you go to log out and by pressing the little X, as you can see here, stop right here, you could get a $5 discount, guys. So you can go ahead and take advantage of that if you want to, but I didn't say anything. So let's go through this. This is the front end, again, $17, but I just showed you how to get a discount on that. Upsell number 1 is Unfair Advantage Unhinged. This is for $37 with a $27 down sale. So as you can see here, the front end users, if you just buy the front end of the software and all that, you're only going to get 20 software searches per day, okay? Now, if you take this OTO here, you're going to get unlimited searches, which truly is needed to make significant money, okay? You're also going to get high ticket hack, which is going to show you how you can make sure that someone who clicks on your links for a high ticket product stays cookie for 90 days. Without this hack, the cookie will expire in 24 hours. So this would be one upgrade that I would want to get myself, because if you're going to guarantee more time for that person to buy something and you make extra commission, that's going to be a big advantage to you, right? So basically how this works is the 24-hour is the standard, okay? So when someone clicks on your link, which they're going to show you all of that stuff, and someone buys something from you, then you get the commission. But if they don't buy what you was promoting in that link, and then they come back within that 24-hour period to Amazon and buy something, and it could be a very expensive buy, you're going to get a bigger commission, right? As long as it's within that 24 hours. But when you pick up this OTO here, it's going to extend that cookie for 90 days. So that's the big loophole, okay? So this would be an upgrade that I would recommend. Okay, let's check out the next upsell. On upsell number 2 here, it's Copy Us. So it's $37 with a $27 down sale. And for this upgrade, you're going to get a full case study that Vick's 12-year-old daughter used to go from 0 to 50 a day in less than a week. So that's something that's going to help you out as well, right? You're going to be able to literally duplicate everything that she did so that you can make the same kinds of commissions. All right, let's check out upsell number 3 here is We Do It For You. You talking to me? So this is $97 with a 67 down sale. So basically they know which niches work and what types of posts work, right? So you can make money a lot faster with this upsell, and they're going to be giving away all their secrets, including their best-selling templates and their list of all the hottest niches to use. So that is something too that I would recommend upgrading to. Upsell number 4 is the Professional Edition. This is $37 with a $27 down sale, and basically what they're stating here is that once you create a bunch of these unfair advantage hubs, they're gonna start seeming similar, right? And this is not a good thing because it could drag your conversions down. So if you take advantage of this upsell number 4, you won't have to worry about that because you're gonna be getting 4K videos, video backgrounds, graphics, background music, and a lot more. So this is gonna enable you to always post high quality videos that are gonna be sure to be converters, okay? And you're also gonna get the built-in video editor, which makes this method so much easier. And finally, you're gonna get the full commercial rights to everything, which is really cool, right? Because then you could sell these to your clients and customers and make even more money. So let's check out the last upsell here. Upsell number 5 is a guaranteed career. This is for $197 with a $97 down sale. So with this upgrade, if you want a guaranteed way to make an actual career out of unfair advantage, they're going to show you how by directly working with the master of this method himself, which is Vick Carty. He's going to coach you over the course of 6 weeks in a live weekly webinar series, and each person gets the personal attention that they need. So no one will walk away from this training without a career. So he's guaranteeing pretty much that you can make a living doing this, guys. I guess he's doing it as well, right? So pretty cool there. Check out that upsell. So let's go ahead now and check out my bonus page. Hey guys, again, go ahead and scroll down the page and click any one of these buttons and make sure that you have time left on the timer to lock in my bonuses. So I want to show you a few things on the bonus page as well that you can go over, which is the overview video here. This is Tommy. He's going to go ahead and explain a little bit about what the method actually is and a little bit about that. So check that out as well. And you can go ahead and watch this video here, the demo video where he goes over everything, and he also shows the case study in this video here if you want to check that out on the bonus page. So let's go ahead and go over the bonuses now. So bonus number 1 is Amazon Video Direct. So you can be able to start your own online home business and sell your video on Amazon Video Direct, okay? So this is another Amazon type of method that you can use. So don't use this at first, guys. What I recommend you doing is go ahead and use the unfair advantage first. Start making some money with that. Use these bonuses as the second method that you're going to want to start creating so you can have another pillar, another income source, okay? That's what I recommend because you're buying the main course here. Bonuses are just incentives, okay? But they do work. But don't get overwhelmed by all of this stuff, guys. Go ahead, use the unfair advantage first. Start making some money with it. Once you start making good money, come back to this bonus, check it out, go through that course, and then start using that. If you're on Amazon already, you might as well use some other Amazon methods to create income, right? So that's what this is going to show you here. Pretty cool. So bonus number 2 is Amazon affiliate profits. So you're going to learn the secret tricks for making 6 figures with Amazon the easy way. So again, this is a ebook here. It's going to show you some different strategies and techniques to use. Again, this is another type of method, not the same as the one before that I just showed you. So it's different. Like I said, go ahead and do the unfair advantage first and come back to these later on, okay? Bonus number 3 is my YouTube Cash. So this is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. So again, you're going to be using YouTube, right? And Amazon together. So I figured that this training by me would help you out as well as to use another form of affiliate commissions without using Amazon. This one could be used through anything, you know, products, services, physical products. It doesn't matter what it is. You can use this method that I'm going to show you in here to do that as well, okay? So that's that bonus. And bonus number 4 here is the unfair advantage for vendor bonuses. But as we have seen, it was now 5 on the sales page. So just remember that. And if you act right now, guys, you're going to guarantee these extra combined bonuses worth $2,389 if you order through my link today. So make sure there's time left on this timer. Go ahead and click the Get Unfair Advantage Now button, and you can lock in my bonuses for this particular product. So your next question probably is, is, how do I find my bonuses, right? So let me show you on my bonus page here. So it says how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo right here on the bottom of the page. So you're going to go ahead and create a Warrior Plus account if you don't have one yet at warriorplus.com. Once you do that, come back and buy the product. Then you can be sure that it's going to be waiting for you inside the purchase history. So once you log into your account, look for your name up here in the right hand top corner. Click on the drop down tab, choose purchase history. It's going to take you to the next page. You're going to want to look for Unfair Advantage app for the link. Click that link. It's going to take you to one more page where you can access your purchase, and you can access my bonuses by using the blue button. Okay, so pretty easy, right? Nothing to it. All right, so be sure to check out some free training that I have in the video description as well, right? Go ahead and check that out, as well as some advanced training in a webinar if you want to take a look at that and get registered up. It's free. You're going to go through some training. It's going to teach you a lot of cool stuff, so check that out. And if you like the way my bonus pages look, go ahead and check out the Commission Gorilla link, okay? That's going to show you how to create these bonuses, because it is actually bonus building software. And you can see my email there, and you're going to send me an email if you go ahead and purchase that using my link. And I'm going to send you my code where you can just plug in the code and you can have an instant template that I use right here to use, okay? Now it's just a template. You're gonna have to plug in your own bonuses, but you're gonna have something very nice to start off with. You don't have to start from scratch, okay? So that's gonna wrap up my Unfair Advantage review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helped you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com. And guys, happy marketing.